You can expect a lot from the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front fog lights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, a roof rack, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.